As many of you would know, an inverter is used to convert DC current to AC current, for allowing you to use standard appliances on battery power. Since an inverter is so handy, there are many options available out there, out of which pure sine wave inverters are considered to be the best. Hence, we have mentioned the best pure sine wave inverters in this article. There are many products available to choose from best pure sine wave inverter, each with different characteristics, benefits, and prices. To help you make an informed decision, I did quality research, read tons of reviews, and compiled a list of the best pure sine wave inverter from reputable brands. After much research, I found these products much helpful for people like you. If you want to know about the price and other information, be sure to check my description. So without any further delay, let's jump into the video. Number 1. Bestech Pure Sine Wave Power Inverter. Those of you who are on a budget should consider Bestech and its pure sine wave inverter, since you get many handy features with it despite its low price tag. The Bestech Pure Sine Wave Inverter is present in the first position in this article, as it is the cheapest option present in this article. As it is an affordable inverter, it comes with a wattage rating of 300 watts, which should be decent enough for your car. As for its output voltage, it varies from 110 volt to 120 volt. Despite being an affordable pure sine wave inverter, it still comes with 2 AC outlets, as well as 2 USB. Number 2. WZRL Pure Sine Wave Inverter. While WZRLB and its products like this pure sine wave inverter are a bit on the expensive side, you certainly get a high performance number out of it, which makes it a great pick for many. WZRLB's pure sine wave inverter is present in the second position in this article, as it is one of the most powerful options present in this article. This is due to the reason that it has a very high wattage rating of 3000 watts. When combined with its output voltage of 110 volts to 120 volts, you can easily use it with most devices with ease. Even though it is a high-performance inverter unit, it does not feature any USB ports. As for AC outlets, you only get a total of 2 of those with this one. Being a premium pure sine wave inverter, it also comes with a great build quality and a 1-year-long warranty, making it a highly reliable option. Pros. High-performance pure sine wave inverter. Offers a great build quality. Protects against up to a 6000 watt power surge. Number 3. Voltworks Pure Sine Wave Power Inverter. As you can most likely tell by its name, Voltworks is a brand that offers various electrical devices, including its pure sine wave inverter present in this article. This Voltworks pure sine wave inverter is present in the third position in this article, as it can be a great option if you want multiple outlets and ports. Apart from that, you also get a decent wattage rating of 1500 watts with this inverter. You also get a standard voltage rating of 110 volts to 120 volts with this one. Coming to the best feature about this pure sine wave inverter, is that it features a total of 3 AC outlets, and 2 USB ports as well. Another great thing about this pure sine wave inverter, is that it also offers a 1.5-year-long warranty. Number 4. GAOI's Power Pure Sine Wave Power Inverter. GAOI's can be another great option if you are looking for brands that offer different electrical devices, like its sine wave inverter present in this article, that offers decent performance. While the GAOI's pure sine wave inverter might not be the most powerful option at its given wattage rating of 1500 watts, it is still good enough for most users. As for its voltage rating, it is rated at 110 volts to 120 volts, for easily using most electrical appliances in your car, using this pure sine wave inverter. Talking about the ports and outlets offered by this inverter, it features a total of 3 AC outlets, as well as 1 USB port, which is quite decent for most users. Just like most other options out there, GAOI's also offers a 1-year-long warranty with its pure sine wave inverter. Number 5. Kinverge Pure Sine Wave Power Inverter. Kinverge can be another great option if you are looking for a pure sine wave inverter for your car that offers decent performance, along with handy features for ease of use. The Kinverge Pure Sine Wave Inverter can be a great option if you want decent performance, thanks to its given performance rating of 2000 watts. This wattage rating is combined, along with a standard voltage rating of 110 volts and 120 volts. One of the best things about this pure sine wave inverter is that it offers 3 AC outlets and 2 USB ports. Out of these 2 USB ports, one of them supports the included Bluetooth adapter for easy remote control. Another great thing about this inverter is that that's all from my end. I make helpful videos daily, so do subscribe my channel. If you need more information or if you want to know product price, do check out my description. For any kind of problem, please comment below. Stay updated with our cool products, as it will make your life much more easier.